My name is Darren Whitley, and I'm the University Photographer at Northwest Missouri State University. Today I'm going to be showing you a Renaissance Ventura album. It's from Albums Inc. And this is a album that we've made for our university president who recently passed away. And I've saved 2 pages out of this book, and I want to show you how easy it is to put an album like this together using 5x7 prints. Albums Inc. also sells larger books than this. This just happens to be a 7x5 landscape album made by Renaissance Albums. And this is called a self-mount album, and it's a Ventura album. So the first thing, according to the directions you do, is you pull these tabs back so you can get your picture started here. You take your print, and what I've been doing is I line it up with this corner, and then I try to get a nice margin here on the edge so it's nice and parallel, and then you pull this out. And as you pull that out, you kind of work it down. This will keep it square. Pull this out, kind of work it down. You know, depending on your shop, maybe you might do this with white gloves, but with this E-surface paper that we have, you can't see fingerprints. And then over here, go to this page, pull it out a little bit like that, a little bit like that. Here, it does need to hang out here because you don't want to have to dent your print when you put it down. So you don't want any creases in your print. Get it in there next to the metal corner marker. Get it to where it's square with the long edge. By having it square on the long edge, it's pretty much going to be square on the short edge. And the long edge would be much harder to correct if you got it wrong on a short edge, so that's why we set the long edge first. Pull this back, work it down, and there you have it. Now this book is done because I've done all the other pages earlier today, and this is a 15-page album, which means it has 30 sides. The first side starts like that. The last side ends here, and you can see the Renaissance logo there at the bottom. And that's the Renaissance album. It also comes in black. This happens to be the brown cover. That's all I have for you. Hope you enjoyed this video.